Hello foodies! In today's video, I will show to you how to make this very delicious recipe called air-fried ratatouille paired with some baguettes. So, without much further ado, let's get started! For our ratatouille, these are our main ingredients. We have an eggplant, a zucchini, a bell pepper, some tomatoes, an onion, and some garlic. Just a little trivia, guys. We consider the eggplant, tomatoes, zucchini, and the bell pepper as vegetables, but technically they are fruits. This is an air fryer accessory. In this dish, we put everything that we cut up. Adding some olive oil in between. Don't forget to put the salt, the pepper, some oregano, and some thyme. And then we give it a stir. And we put it into the air fryer. On our air fryer, set the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius and set the timer to 16 minutes. And it's cooked. Our ratatouille straight from the air fryer. And now it's time to make our baguettes. In a bowl, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, add the instant yeast, around 2 teaspoons. Add the salt, 1 teaspoon. This is the brand of instant yeast that I used. Then add 1 cup of water. Mix everything in. As you can see, I am kneading the dough inside a bowl, but you can always knead it on a clean surface. Just add a little more water if needed, because we don't want a tough and dry dough. After you're done kneading, get a clean bowl and put some oil in it, and make sure your dough is also well oiled. Cover your dough with plastic wrap and let it rest for 40 minutes to an hour. Now it's time to shape our dough. Let's flatten our dough and cut them into two. I'm shaping it into a rectangle, stretching them, trying to look like the shape of a typical baguette. Now, I'm placing them on a parchment-lined baking sheet, covering them again to rest for another 20 to 30 minutes. At this point, preheat your oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. After 30 minutes, we are now ready to bake. But for our last touches, we have to do some slashes on our dough, like the one I'm doing here. And lastly, we have to put some egg wash on it. The egg wash is just a mixture of 1 egg and a teaspoon of water. Ta-da! Our baguettes. They look so legit to me. And it's plating time. Our ratatouille paired with our homemade baguettes, topped with chili flakes and some Parmesan cheese. So there you have it, guys. I hope you learned something from this video. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And please click the notification bell as well so you can get notified for my future content. Thank you for watching and see you on the next.